I gotta stop eating Pringles before I die.
That's impossible. No one just stops eating Pringles.
That's true.
Like it just doesn't work that way.
One just.
Once you pop, you can't stop! That's what they say about the sleuths when the pairs.
That's what I say when I see a 6-month pregnant pole dancer.
What? What? What?
I'm pretty sure your dad told that story. It was a while ago, but I distinctly remember.
He said the pole dancer was pregnant, but I don't know if he specified what month.
Well, it would have been long enough to like be showing. You're not gonna be like, she's 1 month pregnant. And she
I'm so glad I started streaming.
Just walk around, you just see a girl next to you. Hey! You're 5.5 weeks pregnant, aren't you? I can tell by looking at that minuscule baby bump.
I can tell you don't burst as much. Get over it. That was amazing.
Absolutely hilarious.
Oh man, I so wish I had an editing system so I could just make a Wheeze montage of you. That would have been perfect. That was perfect.
Poke your head out, you little knob! I'm gonna gun with your name on it!
Are you Schmeagle?
Maybe.
There we go.
You sound like you're forcing it almost.
I tried taking that kill from you, Chip.
Ow. That won't work again.
Supercharge!
Tears.
Damn it! I was just about to pull out my super.
Like, I'm pretty sure your dad said, like, the dancer was, like, a couple months pregnant.
She was noticeably pregnant. Here's the story.